During jury deliberations, the jury asked to see an exhibit that was never introduced into evidence. Will the judge allow them to do that? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now the jury is back deliberating, trying to decide who's more likely right than wrong. Let's say it's a medical malpractice case, and now one of the jurors wants to see an exhibit that was shown and questioned, a witness was questioned about, but it was never introduced into evidence. So now they send out a note to the judge, "Judge, we'd like to see the exhibit that this witness was questioned about." And now the judge shows it to the attorneys, and now we look at it and say, "Judge, that was never introduced into evidence." So the answer to the question is, can the jury see it? The answer is, no, they can't. If an exhibit or document or whatever it is was never introduced into evidence, the jury cannot now take it back in with them to the jury deliberation room to now read it, to now look at it, to examine it. Instead, what likely happened is that it was used to illustrate something for the witness. Let's say it was a diagram, and now the witness was talking about the anatomy, and now they're going ahead and explaining part of the anatomy on that exhibit. If that information was not introduced into evidence, what that means is that now when the jury has a question about that particular exhibit, they cannot use that to form the basis of their opinions and conclusions. So to answer the question I raised in the headline of this video, can the jury see an exhibit if it was never introduced into evidence? The answer is, no, they can't. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice case, or a wrongful death case, or even an accident case here in the state of New York. You know, in all likelihood, you have your own questions and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your own particular matter. What I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207. or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.